How to make Google Chrome default browser in Android phone. If any day you would like to make your Google Chrome a default browser in your Android phone but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to open the settings on your very mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon or directly find the settings icon on your mobile device by just scrolling left to right. And after you find settings, you have to tap on the settings. After you tap on settings, you have to go to the very search icon, search apps out there. And after you search apps on your very mobile device, now what you have to do is you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to tap on the option of the apps. Now after you tap on the option of the tabs, in the app setting, you can see the very option of the choose default apps. You have to tap on the option of the choose default apps. Now here you can see the option of the browser app. You have to tap on the option of the browser app. And here you have two of the option to keep the default browser app, that is to the Chrome and to the share it. Now you have to share it, you have to just mention it, and you have to just enable it to the very Chrome section like this by tapping on the Chrome, and this way your very default internet browser will be set to the Chrome there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.